Hi, I'm Samine Shoenhair, and this is my intro video for AEP800. So I'm a high school math teacher. I teach at Prospect High School in Saratoga, California. It's actually right outside of Silicon Valley, right next door to San Jose, California. And I've been teaching here for 17 years, so I really like it. The students are great. It's such a great mix of students, diversity. The diversity is outstanding. Um, and so I teach math right now. I've taught network administration classes in the past, but I've taught for 27 years total, and 24 of those 27 years have been teaching math. I've taught everything from fourth grade up to high school, but even when I was doing fourth grade, it was still a special program where I taught higher level math. I was a visiting teacher. Long story, but I didn't really teach the fourth grade level of math. I just taught the fourth graders. Right now, I'm teaching Integrated Math 3 and AP Calculus BC, and I really like it. I also have a section of AVID, which is a really cool class. If you're not familiar with AVID, it helps kids that would be kind of on the bubble of making it into a four-year college and gives them the support they need for being successful in high school, navigating the college process, the college application process, and so on. So I have one section of that as well. As far as technology goes and my strengths and weaknesses, I actually really like tech, and I feel like I'm pretty comfortable with it, and I pick up on new technology pretty quickly, but I don't really know how to use it effectively in the classroom. Like, I have a tablet that I write notes on, and I do some things with that myself, but I want to get the kids, I want to get their hands dirty with the tech, but I want to use it effectively. I want to use it as a tool and not just here's a computer and go on Desmos, and this is really neat. So anyway, that's what I'm really hoping to get that out of this master's program in instructional technology. And I'm excited about starting this class. So I'd say those are my strengths and weaknesses with technology. And in addition to learning how to use technology more effectively, I'm really excited about the dialogue with other classmates in this class. Watching some of your videos, I'm like, yeah, these people, like, I can relate to you, and I'm definitely in the same boat as many of you. Even just, this is also my first year or first semester at Fort Hays, and I did take one class. I took educational research before spring break. This one time I'm taking two, just like several of you that I heard, and so teaching full time. I'm a little worried about making it through, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited about taking risks and, pushing outside my comfort zone and seeing how things go. So yeah, I look forward to working with everybody, and I'll see you around.